Although silver closed December 2023 bearish and has started January 2024 bearish as well, the long-term bullish trend remains intact. Buying the dip seems to be a very good idea, as the current long-term bullish trend is expected to continue above $30. So how can we join the next move? And that is the essence of this video. So guys, my name is Somi Abiakbo. I have 10 years experience trading forex, commodities, stock indices and cryptos. In this video, I want to show you what price I'm looking for to buy silver and a top-down analysis to back my buyers. I will also share my take profit and stop loss ideas with you. So please wait to the end of this video to get all of this. Okay, and I will appreciate if you can like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop a new video. I will be uploading videos daily covering silver, gold, crude oil, Bitcoin, dollar index and the major forex peers. And of course, on the comments in the comment section you can also let me know which currency pair or which instrument you want me to analyze for you. So I will appreciate you guys. So let's dive right into the video. So I have silver on the screen and it can be seen that clearly this thing is bullish, right? So you have a bullish trend here, and a correction, okay, and bullish trend, which actually means that this long-term bullish trend is just about to continue. Once we see price break above $30, which is this point I'm showing, it means that silver is going to silver's direction is further upside. So if you go to the lower time frame, on the weekly time frame, we'll be able to see this much clearer. We're going to see all the internal structures, and I'm going to be making use of the Elliott wave while I'm also going to take note of the key demand and supply zones where we might see turning points for price. So on the weekly time frame, I can actually say it's very clear that this is a bearish impulse wave pattern which ended in March 2020, and of course price responded, breaking above so many former highs here, and impulsively, right, a very a nice impulsive bullish response, okay, which is an indication that this bullish trend is going to continue. And then after this, between August 2020 and August 2022, that's about 2 years, we saw silver gradually made this bearish correction before it now responded bullishly again in this 2023. So silver was bullish throughout 2023, although it was kind of not really a very strong impulsive move. And so from what we have here, we can say that silver is making an ABC correction. According to the Elliott wave theory, when you have 5-wave move decline like this, an ABC correction usually happens against the direction of the trend before the trend continues. And if this is ABC, just like we have here, it looks like wave B has ended and we're just about to see wave C. We still have wave C in motion, all right? Although this wave C at the beginning, it doesn't really look like it's going to give us an impulsive move. An impulsive move is something that is sharp and direct like this, so it might just go quite slower than what we have here as wave A. So that's why I'm thinking that we may actually have a diagonal, which is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, 5. So something like this, a gradual wedge formation, a gradual bullish wedge formation towards $30. I think that's what I'm going to be looking at until the price says now. That's what I'm doing, and then I'm going to adjust my analysis, being that this is still weekly time frame. So there can still be room for adjustment, reanalysis, and then stuffs like that, depending on what what the price action is saying. Okay, so if I'm going to take this as a diagonal, I think we can see the subwave of the expected diagonal here on the 4-hour time frame. So this is wave 1, and this is 2, and this is 3 ongoing. All right, so each of these is a corrective move, right? So you have ABC here to complete one, ABC here to complete two, and another one here, is emerging to complete with three, which we expect to break, of course, above here. Right, so that is what I am looking at. That is my forecast. Okay, so this correction here is the next thing. Once this correction ends, once I've been able to confirm that the correction here has ended, then the next thing is going to be to buy towards here, towards $28 for this wave 3. Okay, this is A, B, and then C. Okay, so for us to see this clearly, we can go to the lower time frame. Of course, before we do that, we can take note of the key areas. So we can see this inefficiency gap here, and there's this key demand zone, another demand zone of here. Okay, well, so which means that either price continue to move into this zone, or maybe it drops lower into this zone before it now now start making a bullish move. Okay, before the C leg continues. Okay, so this zone is going to be very key. It's going to be very key, guys. Maybe it has ended, maybe it's going to drop quite lower. We'll see. So yesterday we had this bullish engulfing candle, which of course might make us to think, yeah, we should be buying. And of course we seems to be having this head and shoulder formation here. Okay, especially if price makes another minor correction, towards this area, before it now break above here, then that's going to be an head and shoulder, and that's is going to be a really, really good signal for us to consider further rallies. But what am I doing? What currently am I looking at? Do I consider buying at the moment? Do I consider buy at any price around this area, or I'm going to see a dip or I'm expecting a dip inside before I buy? Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, I do really think I was just looking at this key zone, so I readjusted this one. I just look at this key zone, and I think price really came right here. Though it didn't really go deep. A lot of times, sometimes you don't really see price go deep into the key zone. It might just fill the gap and then start moving up. So it has filled the gap, all right, which is just enough, and the response is bullish, is impulsive, which actually makes me to think that to believe that this correction has actually ended. Now with this break, with this bullish response, I think I'm just going to consider buying the dip, towards higher levels. So if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we're going to see this bullish response better. So this is what I'm saying. You have 5-wave decline, B correction, another 5-wave decline to complete this ABC, which is just enough, and the response here breaking above the previous sub 4th wave of this C leg, and this important response. So I am going to just be very much interested in further deep into 61.8 to 70.7 retracement area, and that zone is where I'm going to be looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, so that's what I want to do, guys. Wait for a dip, okay, into this zone, so as to boost the risk reward ratio that we could get from here. Okay, so I'm going to look forward to a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. Price drops to 61.8 to 70.7. Just find my entry at 22.85. You may, if you decide to join this, if it goes in line with your analysis as well, you may also consider 61.8 or maybe even 70.7. But it's going to be for me within this zone, not anything higher, just within this zone. All right. So that's what I want to do, okay, to buy upwards, and the target is going to be around 24.75 or between 24.6 and 24.75. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility of a very nice we could actually see price break above the stop, just like we're looking at on 4-hour time frame. All right, that price could actually break above here for this wave Y. Okay, but of course it may not really just go straight line. It may go this way, another dip, and then just like that. Okay, so that's why this target around here is just okay for me if price gets this trigger. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's what I'm looking out I'm looking forward to do on silver, and then let's just see how it goes. I'm gonna update you guys how it goes. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. This is going to make sure that you get notified when I drop the next video, an update of the silver, and also do analysis on gold, Bitcoin, crude oil, dollar index, and the major currency pairs. So to be part of this, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video. All right, so thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next one. Have a very wonderful trading week. Bye.